Okay, now in this part of the video, we will learn how to find f inverse when f of x is given. F of x is equal to x plus 2 in this example, and we have to find f inverse of x. We know that linear functions are bijective. You can simply check this that this linear function is bijective, one and not to both. So we'll say that given function is f of x equals to x plus 2, and we will suppose that f of x is equal to y. We will put f of x equal to y in this function. So this will become y equals to x plus 2. Now we will find x from here. We will extract this x from here. So x will be y minus 2. This plus 2 will come to the left hand side and will be separated from y. So after that, we have supposed that y is equal to f of x. This implies that if y is f of x or f of x is y, then x will be f inverse of y. We will take f to the other side or f inverse both sides. X will be f inverse of y. If f of x is y, then x is f inverse of y. So that you can replace this x by f inverse of y here. So we will get f inverse of y equals to y minus 2. So we have got f inverse of y equals to y minus 2. Next step is to replace y by x. So this is going to be f inverse of x equal to x minus 2. So this is required inverse function f inverse of x if for the given function f of x, which is x plus 2. Now let's see what is the outcome of this f inverse. If f is a function which is x plus 2, then this will give output at x equal to 1, 1 plus 2. This is giving output 3 for x equal to 1. Then f inverse should give output at 3. This should give 1 as output at x equal to 3. What is f inverse of x? Which is x minus 2. If you put 3 in this, so you will get 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So अगर f फंक्शन जो हमारे पास है जो ओरिजिनल फंक्शन था वो 1 पे आउटपुट 3 दे रहा है, तो f इनवर्स 3 पे आउटपुट क्या देना चाहिए, वो उसको वापस 1 पे थ्रो करना चाहिए, जो कि ये कर रहा है. इसका मतलब है हमने जो इनवर्स फाइंड किया है इस चीज सही फाइंड किया है. द अदर वे टू चेक दैट f इनवर्स इज करेक्ट इज दैट you have to find the composition of f and f inverse of x. This you have to find, or this will be f of f inverse of x, and you know how to find this. F inverse of x is we have found it x minus 2, and f of x is x plus 2. So ये जब x minus 2 पे apply होगा, so this will give you x minus 2 plus 2. So x 2 will be cancelled. So we have got that f composition f inverse of x is equal to identity. So which proves that हमने जो f inverse निकाला है वो सही निकाला है.